Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you. We're on to our final two boxes of the football group break. I'll move this one to the side. 2-box break of 2008 Upper Deck Premier. So, good luck guys. Maybe we can pull a nice, I'd like to see a cut autograph come out of here. So here we go, 2008 Upper Deck Premier. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. All right, off the bat, we got a base numbered out of 35, Patrick Willis for the 49ers. I'll try not to look at the next hit. And then we got, for the Packers, quad jersey auto numbered at a 275, Jordy Nelson for the Packers. And next hit, we got a manufactured patch for the Texans, Steve Slayton, numbered at a 30. Card number 4 will be, it looks like jersey, I guess you can say triple patch. It looks like a jersey patch. It's going to be randomed between the Raiders, the Ravens, and the Colts. Michael Huff, Ed Reed, and Bob Sanders, and that is numbered out of 25. Looks like 2-color jersey, 2-color patch, and 1-color patch. Will be randomed. And here we go. Next card we have for the Falcons, numbered out of 65, an autograph of Sam Baker. Next up, we have an auto for the Bengals. Just the numbering on this. Numbered out of 25, 2 out of 25, Jerome Simpson for the Bengals. And the final card of the box will go to the Chiefs, which is my team, numbered out of 65. Brody Croyle, Larry Johnson, Tony Gonzalez, triple jersey. So that's box number 1. Let's move on to box number 2. Let's break this shit. Why don't we rub the Ruth mojo? I know this isn't football. I mean, I know this isn't baseball, but it has worked in the past. Let's pull something nasty out of this box. Again, guys, thanks for everyone who joined this break. We have baseball coming up next, and then a football break as the last break. So, pull something nasty. Alright, off the bat, we got a base numbered at a 99 for the Buccaneers, Jeff Garcia. And then we have for the Patriots, quad jersey auto, Kevin O'Connell, numbered at a 275. Alright, and we got manufactured patch for the Packers. Packers are doing pretty decent. Jerry Kramer, numbered 1 out of 30, eBay 1 of 1. And this should be the patch. Triple patch. First one looks like a jersey again for the Patriots. We got a Maroney for the Patriots, numbered out of 25. Dual patch, single jersey, it looks like. Not too much color in there, but there you go, Patriots. And then we have, for the 49ers, numbered 72 out of 99, Patrick Willis autograph. Then we have a dual auto here between the Cardinals and the Chiefs. Let me know what you want to do with this. Cardinals, Early Doucette III and Dwayne Bowe, numbered 5 out of 50. So we could raffle that if you want, but let me know. And the final card of Premier will be for the Dolphins. Dolphins get the last hit. Triple jersey, number 3 out of 65, Dan Marino. So, not the greatest boxes of 08 Premier. We'll be back with the baseball break. Check that out. GSN Cards is out.